In this video, we will learn about Django template render. First, create a folder called templates in your project root. Then open your project settings.py to find the templates directory. Then write the code in dir's list. Now create a HTML file in templates folder like index.html. Create the boilerplate HTML code and give a title and write a bedding. Then open your views.py, write the code. First, import render from the django.shortcuts. Then replace the HTTP response into render because it's not needed now. Give the two parameters, one is request and second is your HTML file name. Then run your Django server and open the gived URL. Now open your browser and hit the URL. Oh, the Django template rendering is successfully working.